In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organization chart in Clickup using the whiteboard feature. While Clickup doesn't offer a dedicated org chart view, the whiteboard serves as a flexible canvas that allows you to visually map out your organizational structure. You can use it to create a detailed and customized chart that reflects your team's hierarchy, complete with names, roles, and responsibilities. So, let's dive in and explore how you can get started. To begin, you'll first want to create a new whiteboard in your Clickup workspace. Start by navigating to your workspace where you'll see a plus icon. Simply click on this to create a new item. From the options available, select Whiteboard. This will create a blank canvas where you can start building your org chart. Now that you have your whiteboard ready, it's time to add some shapes. The toolbar provides a variety of shape options like rectangles, ovals, and more. These shapes will represent the different roles or departments within your organization. Spend some time thinking about how you want to structure these shapes so that they best represent your team's hierarchy. Once you've placed your shapes on the whiteboard, it's essential to show how each role or department connects to one another. Here's where the line tool comes into play. Use this tool to draw lines between the shapes. These lines will visually indicate the reporting relationships, helping everyone understand who reports to whom. Next, we'll add some text to our shapes. ClickUp allows you to easily insert text boxes within each shape. This is where you can input names, job titles, or any other pertinent information that you want to include. By adding these details, you'll make the chart not only informative but also personalized to your team's specific needs. After you've added all your information, take some time to customize the appearance of the chart. ClickUp's whiteboard feature gives you plenty of flexibility to change colors, adjust fonts, and make other stylistic tweaks. Customizing the chart can help it align with your team's branding or simply make it more visually appealing and easier to read. Finally, one of the great advantages of using ClickUp's whiteboard feature is its collaborative nature. You can easily share the whiteboard with your team members, allowing them to view, edit, or comment as needed. This ensures that the org chart is always up to date and an accurate reflection of your team. Collaboration also helps in getting input from various stakeholders, ensuring that the chart accurately maps the organization's current structure. There you have it, a complete guide on creating an organizational chart in ClickUp using the whiteboard feature. With these steps, you can bring clarity to your team's structure in a visually engaging and collaborative way.